How do antacids work? Antacids neutralize acid in the stomach. Antacids contain ingredients such as aluminum, calcium, magnesium, sodium bicarbonate, which acts as a basis alkalis to counteract stomach acid and makes its pH neutral. An antacid, generally a base or basic salt which neutralizes stomach acid, used to relieve indigestion, upset stomach, sore and heartburn. Used to neutralize excess acid in the stomach of patients suffering from hyperchlorhydria, that is hyperacidity. Acidity in the stomach. Acidity in the stomach, that is pH 1 to 2, is normal, but excess acidity is potentially harmful due to production of hydrochloric acid from structures in the lining of wall gastric glands. Acid environment kills bacteria that comes in with food at optimum for activity of digestive enzyme. Excess acid. Factors that causes excess production of acid: excess consumption of alcohol, smoking, stress, and consumption of anti-inflammatory drug lead to problems such as acid indigestion, feeling of discomfort due to much of the acid. Antacids are available in tablets, capsules, and powder dosage form, and chewable tablets and suspension form. Side effects of antacid: magnesium compound causes diarrhea, aluminum compounds cause constipation, and carbonates generate carbon dioxide leading to bloating and flatulence. Calcium compound containing may increase the calcium output in the urine, and sodium increased intake of sodium may be deleterious for arterial hypertension, heart failure, and many renal diseases. Some common drugs of antacids are aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, bismuth subbisulfite, and cimetidine. Antacids react with hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Some common antacid reactions are: calcium carbonate with 2 molecules of hydrochloride give calcium chloride and water and carbon dioxide. Same sodium bicarbonate with 1 molecule of hydrochloric acid will give sodium chloride and water and carbon dioxide molecule. Same aluminum hydroxide with 3 molecules of hydrochloric acid give aluminum chloride and water. Same in the magnesium. Mechanism of action of antacid. Antacid perform a neutralization reaction. They buffer the gastric acid, raising the pH to reduce acidity in the stomach. Ideal requirement of antacid. Antacid should be insoluble in water and fine particles. They should not absorb or cause systemic alkalosis. Should not liberate carbon dioxide and cause rebound hyperacidity. Should not interfere with absorption of food. An antacid should not be a laxative and cause constipation. Should buffer in the pH range of 4 to 6. Should preferably inhibit pepsin. It should not be able to exert its effect gradually and over a long period of time. It should not be a laxative or cause constipation. It should not cause any side effect. It should be stable and readily available. The reaction between the antacid and gastric hydrochloric acid should not produce long volume of gas. The antacid should buffer in the pH range of 4 to 6.9. And antacid should be preferably inhibit pepsin and proteolytic enzyme. Types of antacids: sodium bicarbonate, calcium salts, aluminum salts, magnesium salts, antacid with antiflagellants and alginides. Uses of antacid: it brings the percentage of acidity in our stomach and prevent mucus lining in the stomach. It prevents the heartburn. It also prevents from ulcer, that is damage of lining of stomach wall, resulting in loss of tissue and inflammation. Mechanism of antacid: reduction of pain associated with acid-related disorders, allowing the mucus layer in the stomach lining to heal, prevent the stomach acid from attacking the stomach lining, allowing to heal, neutralizes acidity increasing the pH, raising the gastric pH from 1.3 to 1.6, neutralizes 50%, pH from 1.3 to 2.3, 90% of the gastric acid. Typical neutralization process: acid react with the base to give salt and water. Magnesium and aluminum antacid formulation side effect: several antacid combinations contain aluminum and magnesium because they complement each other. Magnesium salts are faster acting, aluminum compounds take longer time to dissolve but longer relieving. Magnesium salt act as a laxative, whereas aluminum salts cause constipation. Aluminum has been linked with Alzheimer's, so intake should be limited. Other antacids: other contain metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonate which react to produce a salt, water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can cause bloating of stomach and flatulence. To avoid this, anti-foaming agents such as dimethicone are often added. Some also contain alginate which float to the top of the stomach, which prevents reflux in the esophagus. More side effects and caution: since antacids change the pH of the stomach, they can alter the absorption of drugs. They should never be taken for extended period without medical supervision. Heartburn triggers include spicy or fatty food, eating before bed, over drinking, stress and smoking. Acid plus alkali gives salt plus water, calcium carbonate plus aluminum hydroxide. Antacids work by counteracting, neutralizing the acid in your stomach. They do this because the chemicals that are basics, that is alkali, which are opposite of acid. The reaction between acid and base is called as neutralization. What do you do for a severe acid reflux attack? Lifestyle and home remedies: maintain a healthy weight, stop smoking, elevate the head on your bed, don't lie down after a meal. What do you do after a severe acid reflux attack? Lifestyle and home remedies: eat food slowly, chew thoroughly, avoid foods and drinks that trigger reflux, avoid tight-fitting clothing. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much of acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. Digestion in the stomach. The stomach produces hydrochloric acid to start breaking down the food and we eat. This is a strong acid, but the stomach has a thick mucus lining to keep itself from being digested by the acid. Types of antacids: sodium bicarbonate, calcium salt, aluminum salt, magnesium salt, antacids with antiflagellant, alginates. Precautions: antacids are typically safe for most people. However, people with certain medical conditions should talk with their doctors before taking antacids that contain aluminum hydroxide and magnesium carbonate. For example, people with heart failure may have sodium restriction to help decrease the fluid buildup. However, antacids often contain a lot of sodium. These people should ask their doctor before using antacids. Combination of antacid. It is well known that no antacid are available in the market which satisfy the requirement of an ideal antacid. However, many preparations which are having combination of antacids are being marketed. The idea behind such combination is to counteract the contribution action of calcium and aluminum containing antacid and laxative effect of magnesium containing antacid. Heartburn. When the stomach is too full or when you have swallowed air, the acid is forced up to stomach into unprotected esophagus. This acid reacts with the unprotected tissue and causes a burning sensation commonly known as heartburn. The antacid is a base with at least one of the active chemical ingredients of magnesium, sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, and aluminum hydroxide. These active ingredients serves as a buffer. Who cannot take antacid? Patient with kidney failure or heartburn diseases because of their high sodium content and pregnant ladies should not take antacid. Thanks for your time. If you like this content, share, subscribe and comment. Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness and pharmaceutical science.